DJBUMMA Productions.
Wake up. Morning reach already.
Morning. Me just close my eye.
Looking at the kitchen first.
Me know trouble there.
The sink full, the garbage full, and the laundry looking like mountain.
One house,
2 people,
one remote,
but 100 chores. Who fi do it? Morning sunshine, birds them sing. Be ready to start everything. Breakfast done, coffee hot, but somebody still sleeping a lot. Baby, get up, don't hide your face. Look on the dishes all over the place. One little plate become 24. Me can't fight this battle anymore.
Easy baby, cool head. Me was dreaming in a me bed. Yesterday me mowed the lawn. Work all day, from dusk till dawn. Me wash the car, me pay the rent. Every dollar almost spent. Me not lazy, just give me time. Everything soon fall in line.
Who fi wash?
Who fi wash?
We both can wash.
Who fi sweep? Who fi sweep?
Me grab the brush.
Who fi mop? Me do the floor.
Then why you waiting at the door? Laugh together, dance together. Life too short for fuss forever. When we share the load each day, love will always find a way.
Look on your socks under the chair. Me find 3 shoes but only 1 pair. Cup on the table, spoon on the couch. Every room look like a hurricane pass. I know buy pillows every week. 30 cushions on every seat. Kitchen gadgets everywhere.
Still you're asking,
did you care?
who drink the last juice?
Not me.
Who eat the last cake?
Maybe.
Who hide the ice cream?
Evidence missing.
Me know you.
No witness, no conviction.
Bathroom mirror full of spots. You shave your beard and leave the dots. Toilet roll done, nobody care. Then you ask me, where the spare?
Cause it packed from side to side. Still one more just you have to buy. 20 handbags on display. Get to borrow mine anyway.
Take out garbage,
Right away.
wash the dishes.
After today.
No, right now.
Yes, my queen.
Now you're talking.
Know what I mean.
Little laughter, little smile makes the hard work worth the while.
Maybe me ask too much sometimes.
Maybe me wait too long.
Maybe me should explain instead of complain.
Maybe me should listen before answering back.
No relationship perfect.
No family without challenges.
Communication is stronger than pride.
Respect is stronger than anger. Love always wins.
If me cook, me wash the plate.
Me tired.
If me tired.
If me stay up late.
If me cry.
Me hold your hand.
If me fall.
Together we stand.
Who fi do it?
Me do it.
Who fi fix it?
We fix it.
Who fi love?
We love.
Who fi laugh?
We love.
One heart, one home, one team.
Let's go. No more pointing fingers. No more keeping score. Today I help you, tomorrow you help me. That's what real love is for.
One wash,
One dry,
one cook,
one fry,
one mop,
one sweet,
one promise forever to keep.
communication every day, respecting every word we say. Together we ride,
Together we shine.
your heart and mine.
Big up every king who helps around the house.
Big up every queen who says thank you and shows appreciation.
No winner,
No loser.
just one family growing stronger every day.
Love, respect, communication.
Teamwork.
That's the secret to a happy home.
DJBUMMA Productions.
Who fi do it?